Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to make a residual plot on Excel. So let's begin. First enable, go to File, Options, Adds in, Analysis ToolPak, Excel Adds in, go, Analysis ToolPaks enable, check mark to this, click OK. Then go to Data tab, find Data Analysis and find to this option regressions, click OK. Input variance B on B11, input X range A on A11. Then check mark labels with headers and check to this residual plots and use line fit plots as you wish. Then again select output range or new worksheet play. Then click OK. Adjust cells. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.